Good morning this Monday, the 13th of October. I'm Grady Wolfe, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street tumbled on Friday in the worst session in months after Trump took to his own social media platform, Truth Social, to announce plans for massive increases in tariffs on China, quote unquote, amid rising trade negotiations with the region. The S&P 500 fell 2.71%, the Nasdaq tumbled 3.56%, and the Dow Jones ended the day down 1.9%. In Europe on Friday, markets closed lower after Trump threatened those heightened tariffs on China, which threatens to disrupt the stability of global trade landscape once again. The STOXX 600 fell 1.3%, Germany's DAX lost 1.4%, the French CAC declined 1.53%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.9%. Across the Asia markets on Friday, it was mostly a sea of red as investors assessed the state of trade and economic environments in the region. Japan's Nikkei fell 1.01% on Friday, while Hong Kong's Seng lost 1.84%, and China's CSI index ended the day down 1.97%. South Korea's Kospi index was the only market in the region to close Friday's session with a gain of 1.73%. The local market ended Friday's session with a 0.13% loss as a Gaza peace plan prospect through Israel implanting a ceasefire deal in the strip led to a sell-off in gold and oil stocks, while iron ore miners also dipped on further price disputes between China and BHP. L1 Group soared over 11% on Friday after Bell Potter increased the 12-month price target on the company by almost 30% to 90 cents per share amid the stability of growing funds for L1. The increased scale of the combined company, the upside potential for further cost synergies between L1 Capital and Platinum under the new L1 Group, and further acquisitions of the teams to bolster the strength of the company. On the commodities front this Monday morning, oil is trading 4.24% lower at $58.90 a barrel. Gold is up 1.02% at $4,015 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.84% at $105.74 a tonne. The Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback to buy 65.07 US cents, 98.83 Japanese yen, 48.58 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 13 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down 0.94% following the wipeout on Wall Street on Friday. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Developed Global from $5.10 to $5.40 and maintained a buy rating on the hybrid mining services and critical metals producer, following the release of the company's updated DFS for the Sulphur Springs zinc copper project the company owns. DVP's updated Sulphur Springs DFS shows a major uplift in project value, pre-tax NPV 8% of $921 million, driven by higher metal prices, increased plant throughput, 1.5 million tonnes per annum, and a 19% reduction in operating costs. This enhances project economics and supports a valuation upgrade to $5.40 per share. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Universal Stores following the formation of a pattern over a period of 247 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $8.87 to the range of $11.50 to $12.20, according to Standard Principles of Technical Analysis. And that's all we have time for this Monday morning. Have a magnificent day and happy investing.